Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best products to help ensure your car tires last longer and perform better. These products range from tire shine sprays to pressure gauges and even tire checker bats, offering something for every car owner. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the paint marker pens from overseas. While these may not directly extend the life of your tires, they are an excellent tool for marking or customizing your tires for unique designs or maintenance purposes. With 24 vibrant oil-based colors, these markers are perfect for a variety of surfaces, including rubber, wood, and metal. Each marker comes individually packaged to prevent leakage, which is a thoughtful touch for long-term storage. In terms of build quality, the markers feature a durable medium-round nib, ensuring smooth and precise application. The ink is quick-drying and waterproof, which means your designs or markings will last longer, even in different weather conditions. Plus, the non-toxic and odorless formulation makes these markers safe to use, even for projects involving kids or indoor use. This product is ideal for creative car owners who want to add a personal touch to their tires or use them for temporary markings during maintenance. However, it's not specifically designed to improve tire performance or longevity. The main downside is that these markers are more of a niche product, and their utility for car tires is limited compared to the other options on this list. Still, if creativity is your goal, these markers are a solid pick. Coming in at number 4, we have the window markers for glass from Rainbow Chalk Markers Limited. These markers are designed for writing on car windows, windshields, and yes, even tires. The standout feature here is their rain-resistant formulation, which ensures your markings stay intact during light rain, but are still easy to remove with a damp cloth, making them perfect for temporary decorations or notes. The marker's fine tip allows for precise writing, which is great for detailed designs or messages. While they're marketed as washable, it's important to note that they should not be used on damaged or oxidized paint surfaces, as removal could be problematic. The build quality is solid, and the eco-friendly, solvent-free formulation makes them safe for use in a variety of scenarios, from wedding decorations to parade designs. However, the practical application for tire longevity is limited. This marker shines in its ability to create temporary, fun designs, but it doesn't actively contribute to the maintenance or protection of your tires. If you're looking to add a creative flair to your car for a special occasion, this is an excellent choice. But for everyday tire care, you may want to look elsewhere. At number 3, we have the United Pacific 17-inch aluminum tire checker bat. This product is a unique tool designed to quickly check tire pressure by striking the tires and listening to the sound they produce. While this might sound unconventional, it's a tried and true method used by truckers to get a quick read on tire pressure. The tire checker bat is made of durable aluminum, making it lightweight yet robust. It features a wrapped handle for a secure grip, and its long-lasting, low-maintenance design ensures it can handle daily use. The blue finish, coupled with the United Pacific logo, adds a touch of style to its functional design. However, it does require some practice to discern between the sounds of a properly inflated tire and one that's underinflated. This tool is best suited for truckers and fleet operators who need a quick way to check multiple tires in a short amount of time. For average car owners, though, the learning curve and lack of precise readings might make it less practical. It's a great supplementary tool, but not a replacement for a traditional tire pressure gauge. In second place, we have the AT Safe Pro Truck Tire Pressure Gauge. This heavy-duty pen gauge is a must-have tool for anyone serious about maintaining optimal tire pressure. With its dual head design, it's perfect for reaching both inner and outer tire valves, making it highly versatile for cars, SUVs, trucks, and even bikes. The zinc alloy and brass construction, along with a chrome-plated steel body, ensures durability even in harsh conditions. The two-sided ABS bar is calibrated for readings from 10 to 150 psi, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. The gauge doesn't require batteries, which adds to its reliability and ease of use. Simply press the chuck onto the tire valve, and the scale bar will slide out, giving you an accurate pressure reading. This product is a fantastic choice for those who want an affordable yet reliable tool for monitoring tire pressure. Its robust design and wide application range make it a valuable addition to any vehicle maintenance kit. On the downside, some users might prefer a digital gauge for even faster readings, but the AT-Safe Pro gauge offers a perfect balance of simplicity and functionality. Taking the top spot is the Car Guys Tire Shine Spray. This product delivers everything you could want in a tire care product: protection, shine, and ease of use. Its versatile formula allows you to choose between a glossy, wet look or a more subtle satin finish. The included applicator pad ensures precise application, and the non-greasy, quick-drying formula means there's no mess or sling. What sets this product apart is its long-lasting UV protection, which helps prevent cracking, fading, and browning caused by harmful sun exposure. The proprietary polymer formula ensures durability, so your tires stay protected and looking great for weeks. Manufactured in the USA, the Car Guys Tire Shine Spray reflects the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. This product is ideal for car enthusiasts who want their tires to look as good as new while also extending their lifespan. The only potential downside is its price point, which may be slightly higher than other tire shine products, but the performance and quality more than justify the investment. For a professional-grade shine and protection, this Tire Shine Spray is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best product to care for your car tires. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.